Good day, kabayan! Thank you so much for watching my video and liking my page. Again, this is Cheryl Drives. I help clients po to get to their dream car. I'm one of the representative here at Village Nissan and Markham Infinity as a finance manager. So for our today's video, chichika natin yung experience ni ate sa atin sa pagbili ng sasakyan. So I have a very young driver at first time niya pong mag-finance ng sasakyan. Actually, nakaka-proud tong batang to eh. Kasi manager siya sa isang kumpanya and nagta-travel siya from Canada to US para lang mag-train ng mga staff na ino-open nila sa mga branches nila dern. So nakaka-proud. So I guess buying a car for her is part of her job and at the same time, reward mo na din sa sarili mo, right? So again, we have two main goals as per the request ng ating kliyente. And that is reliability and most importantly, affordability. So based on the information that she gave me, we match her to a 2025 Nissan Kicks. Reliability, of course, check. Actually, ang 2025 Nissan Kicks is the number one selling new car on its class. So, ang tawag kasi sa kanya, subcompact. What it means is like hindi siya maliit or mababa na parang sedan and hindi rin siya sobrang laki or like a bulky like an SUV. So nasa middle siya. So siya yung number one selling on its class and sa third quarter actually ng year ng 2025, nag-increase yung sales niya ng 100%. So kung makikita nyo sa labas, ang daming Nissan Kicks, right? So I'm just glad na nagsakto sa kailangan niya. And kampante si ate kasi alam ko hindi ako ipapalya ng sasakyan na to. So ayun na nga. So reliability, check. Affordability, of course. Saan ka ba makakakita ng sasakyan na subcompactus less than $500 a month? Yun na nga yun. So, ang bi-weekly payment lang niya is like 220 and protected na siya doon, right? So, meron siyang manufacturer's warranty. So, goods na siya. Meron din siyang protection financially kasi nga, bata, first-time driver. Of course, I want to make sure your finances is protected kasi ang pagbili mo ng sasakyan, may kinalaman yan sa future financial goals mo. So since bata, I want to make sure okay siya kapag let's say bumili na siya ng bahay or whatsoever, right? So in the event that the car gets stolen, the car gets into a written off, wala siyang magiging utang. Kasi there's gonna be an insurance na mababayaran yung gap or like let's say malay off siya, I'll make sure to nabayad yung ano niya, yung monthly payment niya. Kasi yung credit mo tsaka finances and future goals, they go hand in hand. So I'm just really happy na ayun nga gusto ni kliyente and very very happy din siya sa sakyan and again I'm just very proud of her too for achieving a lot of things at her young age. So yun na nga. So maraming maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Again, Cheryl Drives, Finance Manager po ng Village Nissan and Markham Infinity. And I'll see you here at our store soon. Bye!